how to charge AirPods case. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to charge your AirPods case. I know some of you are gonna be looking at me like, bro, we already know how to charge AirPods case. Well, I'm making this video anyway, and I also wanted to tell y'all something, man. I want to tell y'all something special. What I want to tell y'all is, I know a lot of y'all watching this who probably own a pair of AirPods. So anyway, man, I'm gonna be giving away a free Apple gift card. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it on the 1st of next month or on the 2nd week of next month, but I am doing a giveaway, guys. If you're interested in getting you a gift card, yeah, be sure to show up at the live giveaway. It will be going down live right here on YouTube, right here on my YouTube channel. And the way I do my giveaways, guys, is I go live. Let's say I was giving away this Xbox Live Gold card. I would go live on this channel. I would turn this around. I would scratch off the code, and whoever redeems the code first is the person that gets the giveaway. All right. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around and tune in next month, because I'm definitely going to be doing that giveaway live. So, but anyway, before I get into this video, also, man, I just want to tell you guys, if you can hit that thumbs up button for me if this video is helpful at all, because a simple thumbs up will help my channel grow, and the more my channel grow, the more I can provide you guys with content. Okay, so let me show you guys how to charge up your AirPods case. So as y'all can see here, man, I'm gonna be using the Apple AirPods Pro. Well, yeah, Apple AirPods Pro. These are the newest ones that's out, and let me just tell y'all, these AirPods right here are amazing. If y'all got the older model AirPods, I highly recommend y'all upgrade to these, because that noise cancellation is a trip. I mean, literally, you put the AirPods in your ear and you cannot hear anything going on around you but the music that you're playing or whatever it is that you're listening to. So I really love these AirPods. I just thought I'd let you guys know that. But anyway, we want to charge up the case. Some of you may know or may not know, but the AirPods, like the regular earbuds, they charge by themselves, and the case also charge by themselves. But if we want to charge the case, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out the ear. Yeah, well, you can leave your earphone, you can leave the earphones in the case. But anyway, the way you charge it, guys, is simply by putting in a charger right here in this little port right here. Some of you may know it already. Yeah, whoop-de-whoop, that's cool. But you want to watch this video anyway, okay? Just because, you know, I may share something in here that you may be interested in, you may not be interested in. Anyway, this little part right here, man, this is the part where you're going to charge up your AirPods case, because sometimes your AirPods case can be low, but your actual all right, so anyway, guys, the charger for this thing should be in the box that you purchased your AirPods from. I mean, you know, the box that your AirPods came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box, man, and let's see if we got a charger in here. And as you can see, voila, brand new charger right here. All right, so all you're gonna do, man, is pull your charger out of the box. You know, it's a little bitty charger, but you know, it's one of those high-speed chargers. So it charges your AirPods real fast. I mean, literally, like, you can put it on your AirPods right now, and I say your AirPods will be charged in about 10 minutes. But let me take it out of the package here. All right, so here's what the charger look like. You got the what is this? I think they call this the USB-C charger, but you got that little part right there. And then you have this part right here. So, all right, so you take this part right here and you're just going to push it inside of your AirPods right there. This is how you charge your case. Let me push it in right here real quick. Hold on 1 second. Very easy. Boom. Boom. Once you got that charger in there, you just take the other end of your charger and plug it to your computer or something. So this end right here, simply going to go behind and into your computer. Like that. Let me see. All right, like that. So as you guys can see, I just had the charger, ran it into the computer, and the AirPods are now charging. The AirPods case is now charging. Now, I don't think you have to have the actual earbuds inside of the case. But it's cool to leave your earbuds in the case if you want to. Every time I charge mine, I usually have the earbuds inside of the case. But if you was using your earbuds and listening to music, you don't have to have the earbuds in the case. You just want to charge the case by itself, then that's how you would do it. Okay, so again, guys, that's how you charge your AirPods. I know this was a simple video, but I just wanted to show it to you guys anyway, since you know my channel is about electronics and stuff like that. So basically, guys, again, if you're interested in getting like some gift cards or anything like that, as you can see, I give away a lot of gaming gift cards, stuff like the Xbox Live Gold codes, the PSN codes, the you know, Roblox gift cards, V-Bucks, stuff like that. I give away this type of stuff on my channel. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, I highly recommend that you show up to the giveaways. I got a giveaway going on next month. Be sure to show up. And again, guys, when I do my giveaways, I go 100% live right here on YouTube. When I go live on YouTube, I'll just turn the card around, scratch it off. Whoever redeems it is the person that get the card. So highly recommend y'all come back and stick around for that. All right, but yeah, this is how you charge up your AirPods case. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and you know, just support the channel, man. Help the channel grow. And be sure to tune back in, because I make videos literally every day. I try to make videos every day for you guys. Thinking of doing like some vlogging content and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully this helped you guys out. Let me see. Let's see how it charges. So it's red right now, right? So the AirPods are showing that the light was red. When this light is red, that means that it's in charger mode. But when it turns green, that means that it's fully charged. All right. So that's all you got to do, guys, to know if your AirPod case is fully charged or not. It would turn, the light would change colors. All right. But again, guys, this type of charger right here that comes with the case is it charges your AirPods very fast, so you don't have to wait too long. I say your AirPods should be charged in about 20 to 30 minutes to the max. That's just what I'm assuming, because every time I put mine on the case, it doesn't take no more than 20 to 30 minutes. And that's just how I charge it up every time. And I highly recommend that you guys use the USB charger. You can use other chargers, but this is the fastest charger I think Apple has right now when it comes to charging up these type of devices. You can also use this charger here on your Apple iPhones, because the iPhones are just as compatible as the earbuds, you know, as the AirPods. So definitely highly recommend you guys use that. Now, as you can see, it is red. You see the red light? So that means that it's in charger mode. It's just charging. It's kind of still low. All right. Let me see. I don't want to leave anything out of this video. Let's give it a moment. I'm going to give it a little moment. If you guys are interested in, like, you know, getting like decorated cases and stuff like that, I may have links in the description. So be sure to check the description out for any AirPods cases. Let's say if you lost your case or anything. By the way, you guys can find your AirPods case if you lose it. It doesn't have to be, you know, like, let's say for example, if it fell out your pocket or something somewhere, you was out walking in the store or something and you lost the case, there's a way you can find that case. I will put the link to the video that I created about how to find your AirPods case in the description box. So check out the description for that stuff. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. I'm just giving it a second, guys. That's why I'm on here. Hold on. Just trying to give it a little time. Okay. So, yeah, again, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this video right here. I don't want to make it too long. Again, guys, I got giveaways going on. I don't have the Apple gift card with me right now, but I'm definitely going to be doing Apple gift card giveaways. If you guys are interested in like iTunes gift cards and stuff like that, then I highly recommend that you tune in at the end of this month. I'm basically, well, the first of next month, I'm basically going to be giving away some type of gift card. I don't know whether it be V-Bucks, whether it be Apple iTunes gift cards, whether it be Xbox Live Gold code. I'm definitely going to do some giveaways, guys. So make sure you tune in, stay subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Okay, guys, I almost forgot. There was one more thing I wanted to add to this video. if y'all got any questions about the AirPods being charged and stuff, how to charge it or whatever like that, just leave it in the comment box below. I'm gonna try my best to read the comments. I'll try my best to reply to as many people as I possibly can, and stuff like that. So if you got any questions about this video, any questions about anything I'm doing with the AirPods and stuff like that, just let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna see if I can help you guys out, as many of you guys as possible. And yeah, we're still charging here. So you may not see no light right here while it's charging, but if you want to check the light, you just open it up, open the case up. Let me see what happens if I push this button on the back of here. Hold on 1 second. 1 second, guys. All right, let's see. Yeah, so you can push that button and kind of see how much is charged as well, I guess. So like hit this button on the back and boom, you know, it shows red. So all right, guys, that's all I wanted to share with y'all in this video. I hope it was helpful, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the giveaway when I do the giveaways for the gift cards. I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching.